Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini for a week ahead. So from 1st to the 7th of November 2021. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing information related to law of attraction, manifestation, I have my manifestation courses where I've coached more than 800 people now from all over the world, all age groups. So yeah, if you want to be a part of the tribe, then the link is in the description, or you can go through my Instagram and we have so many feedbacks, video feedbacks, text feedbacks from the students there sharing their success stories. So yeah, you can head to that. Also, if you want to purchase healing crystals for me like this, so I have my whole freaking store where I provide these healing crystals so you can get your hands on them. So now let us start your reading, Gemini. If you don't already know, I'm a Gemini sun myself, so hey Gemini. And I'm very excited to read for Gemini all the time, like obsessed with being a Gemini. All right, let's see messages for Gemini. Give me the present energy for Gemini. Give me the present energy for Gemini. Nine of Swords, Gemini. Gemini, what happened, baby? So some of you are having some sort of worry, which is basically eating you up. And we have Four of Swords. So the good thing is that at least you're trying to take time from this. But for most of you, I feel there is like a situation. It is a love situation for most of you, or it is something related to a partnership. Now, this could be a partnership in your career, your business. For others of you, this is just like a love relationship where you want somebody to participate equally, and this person might not be doing as much, and this is causing you anxiety. All right. And what you're trying to do in return to this is you're trying to isolate yourself from the situation. So Gemini, you might be giving a cold shoulder to somebody. You might not be replying to their text, or you're just trying to put somebody on scene, or you're just not like, you're just ignoring somebody's existence because this person is giving you anxiety. Like somebody is fucking giving you an anxiety and you are just trying to put everything on hold. For others of you, I also feel that your health might not be contributing, so there could be some anxiety issues or sleeplessness or whatever. And if you keep on doing that, Gemini, you are going to land in some sort of problem. So some health crisis can happen. So be very, very careful that you don't land up in that kind of thing. Even I've reduced on my working hours recently because I realized I was overworking, working till 5 a.m., 6 a.m. and all of that. So I've stopped doing that. Now I go to bed at 3. Like that's the last, and now I'm just trying to reduce it further. So yeah, some of you need to do that as well. So there is somebody who's giving you anxiety, and because of that you're not able to sleep maybe, or this could be a work pressure or whatever. Some sort of pressure is not letting you sleep, and your message here is to just take care of your mental health because something is burdening you. I also see that you're just not trying to be part of the drama. So if anybody causes any sort of drama, you're just kind of isolating yourself from that. You might be not talking to people around. You're just trying to be by yourself these days. What else for my gems? Page of Cups. So Gemini, don't fret over what's not happening, because you know what? You are waiting for somebody to communicate and this person is not coming in, and that's why you're feeling very heartbroken or whatever, but this communication is coming in. So whatever is basically causing you so much of pain, just know that that communication is anyway coming in. With the Page of Cups, I see somebody reaching out to you with maybe a proposal or an apology or something, like some sort of confession. So whatever is basically making you anxious these days, don't worry, it's coming in. All right, so you just need to maybe wait a little longer. It's gonna happen. All right, so don't try to lose your sleep over somebody's confession, Gemini. It's not worth it. All right, I see a new beginning in love for sure. Six of Pentacles. Some of you definitely feel the situation is going to balance out. So whoever is not putting in the equal effort is going to do it. Some of you, I also see some sort of business transactions happening. So some sort of business transaction may go in your favor. If you're trying to invest money somewhere and you're not having the sufficient funds, then I see some sort of help is going to come in. Or maybe be open to receiving help, because Geminis are very stubborn and, you know, we like to do everything by ourselves. So much so that we don't even ask people for help. And that something is toxic. You need to ask for help. All right, when you take help from people, life becomes easy. So that's your message. But yeah, I see somebody super interested in you. Somebody's coming in with some sort of confession or a message, and somebody wants to have like an equal give and take. Somebody is also realizing how much of a giver you were. So when you were in their life, you used to give so much to this person that they never really realized. Okay, so they started taking you for granted, and they were like, yeah, so what if Gemini is doing this for me? Anybody would have done it. But now when nobody is doing that for them, now they are realizing. So somebody took your caring, nurturing nature for granted, and now when they're not getting the same kind of help from someone, now they want to come towards you crying. And see how she's crying, like literally this person is going to be very, very sad when they will talk to you like, Gemini, I'm so sorry I broke your heart, I realized what you did for me, something like that. All right, so what is Gemini's energy in this situation? Ten of Cups. Ooh, Gemini. Some of you kind of anticipated that this person is going to do it. That's why maybe you isolated yourself from this person, because you were like, this bitch is anyway not going anywhere, so let me just isolate myself. Some of you, you're just trying to redirect your attention to things that matter the most. Like, you're not losing your patience. Okay, you're trying to be very, very patient. You're trying to be very optimistic is what I feel. With the Ten of Cups, I see you might be spending more time. And this week is going to be all about family time, and especially it's festival season, especially all over the world almost. So yeah, you might be spending some family time, you know, family get-togethers and whatnot, and you're just trying to be happy and more optimistic. Some of you might be purchasing a home or a land is what I see. So family time and all of that is going to make you very happy. You're also trying to redirect your focus to something in business. Some of you have like a new business venture or a new plan that you want to execute in your professional life, and it's like you're working really hard on that. So something about your business is going to take off. That's because you're putting in a lot of work. All right, you're perfecting yourself, perfecting your skills, and in turn it is going to take off. And I see that you're just trying to isolate yourself from this person, and you're just trying to focus that time with your friends and family. You're just trying to see what makes you happy, basically. So yeah, Nine of Cups. There is like a wish fulfillment coming in. Some of you, some sort of big money is coming in. Maybe you were manifesting money for a very long time, or you were manifesting your business to go up, and I see that's gonna happen finally. For some of you, there's like you were manifesting an apology from somebody that is coming in. Some sort of wish fulfillment is coming in. However, it might have been something that you were wishing for a very long time, and then it was not happening, and then you kind of forgot about it, and now that's coming in very unexpectedly. So it's like you're not even focused on it, but then universe be like, knock knock, your wish, I'm here to deliver. So that can be that. So what's coming in towards Gemini next? Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning coming in. I see your life is taking turns, Gemini. So I see that November could be a month where a lot of new things are going to happen in your life, professionally, personally. And definitely, like, how many of you are purchasing a home, or you want to like purchase a home? And I see like family time, get-togethers and all of that. All of this is going to make you very happy. And there is somebody who's hoping for marriage with you. So like, you are just trying to isolate yourself from this bitch, and this person is thinking about marriage. Like, ooh, Gemini. What is up? Nine of Wands. You know what I keep on getting is that you were hoping for something to happen, and it took a lot of time. So much so that you thought that it's never gonna happen. And now that thing is almost on your doorstep and not even paying attention. So something around you is going to make you very, very happy, Gemini, but it's like you're second guessing a lot, or you're not paying attention. So it's like something is just in front of your eyes, but because you are thinking a lot, you are just missing the joy of having it. Like sometimes when we want something to happen in our life, and then we just kind of get caught up in the process, and then when that thing finally happens, we don't even feel the happiness to it. So that's the exact situation which is happening with you. It's like there is something in your life which is going to make you very happy, but because you're not taking a note of it, it might not make you as happy. So some of you, your only message is to be more open. Like, don't block yourself, and don't be so busy in the nitty-gritty of life that you don't focus on your abundance and don't enjoy it. All right, so it's like a manifestation that you had been hoping on for such a long time is finally here, but you're so busy that you're not even paying attention. So stop doing that. What else? The High Priestess. I also see that you had an intuition that somebody is going to come towards you. So maybe that's why it's not making you as excited, because you always knew that this person is anyway going to come towards you and your intuition is kind of proved right. Some of you also got to know something about this person which made you super angry at them. And now you're like, okay, even if this person apologizes to me, they've done a lot of damage. So that could be your situation. And that is what you're trying to divert your attention to your work. You feel this person might not be worth your time and energy for time being. So some of you, you're really pissed off at somebody and you're just instead trying to focus on your career or some new idea in your business, because you know there's a lot of potential, and if you work hard it's going to grow. So you're just trying to, you know, submerge yourself in your career thing, and you're just being super focused in something. What happened in the past between Gemini and this person? 5 of Cups. Somebody disappointed the fuck out of you. This person was just not paying attention. They might have chosen someone else over you. This made you super, super sad. Some of you, this person left you in a situation where you wanted them the most. This person was like, and they might have also said something to you which was very harsh, which you never expected to come from their mouth, but they did. And it's like you're not able to forget that. Like this person's intentions got exposed. And now you're like, should I trust this person? I don't know. You were just too giving in the situation, and then they started taking you for granted. And now you're like detaching yourself finally. 9 of Pentacles. Some of you just realizing how beautiful and gorgeous and you know, self-sufficient you are. You're really making the coin and you're doing well for yourself. And you're kind of realizing, why do I need this person? Like, what can this person give to me? I am self-sufficient. So that can be that. You just kept on showing for somebody and they just kept on running from you, and now you're not running, you're not chasing, you're not doing anything. You're just being by yourself and enjoying your life. And this person now wants to return. Like some of you, this person wants to return with an apology, or they would try to convince you of something. And all of this is happening when you are not open to this person. Okay, what next is coming towards Gemini in love? The World card. Some of you, a new connection or a new beginning in a love affair is going to happen. Yeah, definitely. Some of you, a new connection is about to begin, or like a new cycle is about to begin. Some of you, this could be a new person. If you're not wanting to go to someone else from the past, then this could be a new person. For others of you, this could be this past person coming in. I basically see a new cycle starting in your love life, and it's going to happen very unexpectedly. Some of you also have options in love, so you might be having 2 or more than 2 options, which you're not realizing. As I said, you were manifesting a relationship or a commitment, and now when finally it is there in your life, you're not realizing because you're overthinking and you're just too distracted by other things. What's the blockage here for Gemini in their love life? What's the blockage? 6 of Wands. Some of you, you're just scared that somebody is going to use you. Like you might be successful, or you are like doing something in your life and you're just very scared that somebody is going to take advantage of you. So you're not able to trust this person, that their intentions are pure, that they just want you for you and not for your success or not for your looks or whatever. You are just too scared that somebody is going to repeat. Yeah, see, you just don't want to get into that one night stand kind of situation which you had in the past and somebody was juggling you. You don't want to be somebody's second option, and that kind of scares you to the point that you're not able to trust anybody or trust this person again. Some of you are very scared to be played again. You don't want to get played. But I see a love offer coming towards you, Gemini. Some of you, this is a new person. Some of you, it's an old person. I don't know. But that's going to have romantic feelings and stay up. See, again, it's like you are more negative about the situation than it actually is. Sometimes the situation is not as worse as you assume it to be. So yeah, if a love offer is coming in, if somebody wants to open their heart to you, just maybe listen to them. If this person was not a piece of shit, but if they were, then there's no point. If they were, then this is a new person coming in. But if it's an old person who was not like a malicious person, but it was just circumstances, then maybe you could just listen to them for the second time. But yeah, I see that you're just too distracted with other things in life. Some of you are buying a home, a property, or you're just too busy to celebrate the festivals with your family. So you're not focused on this person or the love or whatever. And the underlying fear is that you don't want to get cheated. So you might tell other people that I'm busy and that's why I'm not focused on love. But the underlying fear is that you don't want to get cheated. You don't want to get played. Let's see what Gemini's person wants to say to Gemini. I'm working hard to bring you all the happiness. See, somebody wants to come back and this person is trying to work hard to reach out to you. I'm tired, I can't see any good, and this is what you are feeling. So somebody is working really hard to come to you, but you are feeling that you can't see any good in the situation and you're just too tired. I keep looking at your picture. Somebody is stalking your photos. I'm sorry I disconnected from you. Yeah. So somebody disconnected from you. This person might have blocked you, deleted you, or whatever. And now they're looking back at your pictures. Gemini, what are you doing? I want to have twins with you. Some of you, this person wants twins with you. So maybe when you were together, this person used to talk about twins and you being a twin, Gemini. So yeah, so that's what this person wants to say to you. This person wants to have a reconnection, or there could be a new person coming in, like whatever resonates, take what resonates, all right? But the underlying message is that don't be so harsh on yourself, and you really need to take care of your mental health, reduce your working hours, you're working too hard, and just be more open to opportunities in life. Like there is a blessing in front of you, right in front of you, or it will be, but because you're so closed off, you might miss on it. So that's that. All right, so that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, happy Diwali and happy Halloween and whatever. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.